Hi there. In this video, we will go over the process of creating a new basic variant product with a few variant options for color and size. By creating variants, you can group items together and simplify the online shopping experience and also speed up the product creation process. In this tutorial, we will add a variant for a bracelet that comes in multiple sizes and colors. We will begin this guide in the product details section for the bracelet. To convert an existing product to a variant, first open the product details for the bracelet and navigate to the Variant tab. Here you will have the overview of all variants created. In this example, the bracelet doesn't have any variants yet. Start the variant creation process by clicking on the Configure Variants button. In the open dialog, you will see the configured variant options. At this time it is empty and we will need to add our two options, color and size. Press the Add Variant option button. In the drop-down menu, you can select to create a blank option if you want to have a specific option that can't be described by one of the attributes. Please note that if you want the ability to auto-generate your variants, you have to select the blank option. For this example, we will do exactly that and select to add a new blank option. The first thing to set is the option name. In this example, we are adding the color option first. List behavior will control the behavior of the items in a list page online. The default option Group Items will only show a single item in the list views and allow you to rotate between the items right there. The option List All will show a list item for each one of the variants. We will continue by selecting the default option Group Items. The last option allows you to choose how variant options are displayed in the product details page. In this demo, we'll select the option Display as Swatch only. Next, we will add two color options, rose and yellow gold. Note that the variant value code can be used in the future to build up an item SKU. We will set the codes to YG and RG respectively. We will also add a variant option for size, with two values, small and large, which is set to a drop-down option Display. Once you're happy with your selection, press OK. Note that your current item will now have been converted to a variant, and the default variant option values will be selected. These values can be updated by simply clicking on the option link and selecting the correct option value. Next, we will auto-generate all the variant permutations for the configured options. Please note that if you have 3 options and 5 option values per option, you will end up with 125 variants. Therefore, you have to plan your variants appropriately, especially if you automatically generate them. To generate the variants, click on the Add Variant button and click on the Auto Generate button. Next, you will be prompted how to generate the variant SKUs. Use the option placeholders that it provides in order to create the variant SKU template. We will continue with the default template. Once you click OK, you will notice that the 4 variant permutations were created. Next, you can modify the product variant title and description templates in order to correctly adjust item product titles and descriptions based on the variant that is being viewed. To do so, save the product and close. Refresh the product list and click on any of the newly created variants. While on the Product tab, click on Configure Template next to the item title. From the open dialog, enter the product title and drag the variant option from the right-hand panel into the template text. Next, click OK, then save the product. You will notice that the option value display text will show up in the title instead of the placeholder, and the same update was also done on all the other variants. You can verify this by closing the product details and refreshing the product list. Now all the product titles will include the changes you made to the title template. That's it for a quick overview of variant creation. In our other variant videos, we will dive into other options and functionality, so please check those out. Thanks for watching.